What you're about to witness is more than a restoration. It's the resurrection of a machine left to be forgotten. Within this shell of rust and decay lies a story waiting to be told. This isn't just about fixing a car, it's about defying the impossible. The journey begins now, and the transformation will be astonishing. The deconstruction starts, a careful separation of past and future. Every corroded piece is methodically removed. Even the intricate wiring, the vehicle's nervous system, is gently disconnected. The heart of the machine, the engine, is lifted from its weary home. A silent, heavy burden now prepared for its own rebirth. With fire and steel, the wounded frame is healed. Years of corrosion are ground away, unveiling the raw potential beneath. The tools of transformation are gathered. A cleansing foam washes away the remnants of a forgotten life. Every inch of the interior is purified. The exterior is bathed, preparing for its new identity. Water washes away the old, making way for the new. A thorough rinse, stripping the car down to its essential self. The final wash completes this crucial baptism. Clean, yet still scarred, the car awaits the next stage of its evolution. The process repeats, a relentless effort to achieve a perfect canvas. With the doors removed, even the hidden framework is exposed and cleansed. The very essence of rust is chemically challenged and neutralized. Now, the master sculptor prepares his clay. Imperfections are filled, skillfully reshaping the body. Each contour is smoothed by hand, a testament to true craftsmanship. Layer by layer, the surface becomes flawless. Dents and cracks from a previous life vanish forever. Meticulous attention is paid to every detail. A protective barrier is applied, guarding against future decay. The first coat of primer is applied, a uniform gray slate. This foundational layer promises a brilliant future. The entire body is sealed, ready for its vibrant new color. And then, the moment of rebirth, a fiery, passionate red. Life and energy are sprayed onto the waiting metal. The transformation is dramatic, a stunning visual shift. While the body transforms, other elements are tended to. The seats, carriers of countless journeys, are given new life. Decades of grime are scrubbed away. Thoroughly cleansed, they are ready to welcome passengers once more. Meanwhile, the engine overhaul begins. It is a complex and delicate operation. The legendary Toyota 16-valve engine is carefully stripped down. Each component is detached with surgical precision. The belts that drove its former life are removed. The valve cover is lifted, revealing the intricate mechanics within. The water pump, the engine's cooling heart, is taken out. A careful process ensuring no damage is done. An inspection of the internal camshafts and valves. The oil pan bolts are loosened, preparing to reveal the crankshaft. The crankshaft is exposed, coated in the engine's lifeblood. The central component is carefully extracted. The flywheel is detached, another piece of the puzzle. No part is too small or insignificant in this revival. The complete disassembly continues with unwavering focus. The engine is reduced to its core components. Now, the deep cleaning begins under high pressure. The main engine block is blasted clean of all grease and grime. Even the smallest passages of the carburetor are purified. The cylinder head is refinished, ensuring a perfect seal. A fresh coat of paint protects and beautifies the engine block. The rejuvenated components are brought together for reassembly. In a symphony of skill, multiple parts are restored simultaneously. A steam bath ensures every part is pristine before assembly. The reassembly starts with the crankshaft, the engine's backbone. A perfect sealant is applied, crucial for performance. The pistons are carefully slotted back into their cylinders. A vibrant red gear is installed, a touch of modern flair. Each bolt is tightened to precise specifications. The new oil shield is secured into place. The intake runners are fitted to the newly machined cylinder head. Valves and camshafts are reinstalled with expert care. The completed head is a work of mechanical art. The head is carefully lowered and married to the engine block. Bright red pulleys add another flash of color. The intake system is reconnected. The ignition system is installed, ready to spark new life. The engine, now a masterpiece of red and silver, is almost complete. Even the brake calipers receive the same vibrant red treatment. Final checks are performed on the restored engine. Brand new spark plugs are installed. Fresh oil is poured, the lifeblood for its first new breath. A diagnostic check ensures all electrical systems are perfect. The carburetor is meticulously reconnected. The new belts are fitted, linking the red pulleys in a dance of power. The final hoses and wires are connected. The time has come. The reborn engine is lifted. It is carefully lowered into the gleaming red body. Heart and body are reunited at last. The final connections are made, bridging mechanics and aesthetics. A final look at the masterpiece in its new home.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at the RESTORATO R7 to 15 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.